Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you our Kai gift type 2 sets. Okay, let me show you what we have now. There's this one, it's called set watch. As you can see, we also have this item, we also have a measuring tape. This one. We have this one. This is called an electric case. We also have this screwdriver. This one is different, as you can see, this is the start and this is the tires. A hammer as well. Also have a shifting spanner, a knife, and an insulation package. So next, I will show you our household tool set. Let me show you what we have inside. We have this one screwdriver set. We have an axle here. We also have a long hose pliers, which is, and this one is gauges and the brush.